We will now call cause number 54396, Marco A. Delgado, also Ms. DeBerry. Before we go there, though, I do want to note in the materials we received from Ms. Siegel this morning, she specifically indicated that she did not object to the entry and admission of the affidavits that Ms. DeBerry offered into evidence. You may proceed with Mr. Delgado for 54396.
Thank you. May it please the board. This is a compulsory discipline case brought pursuant to Part 8 of the Texas Rules of Disciplinary Proceeding, based on respondent's conviction in the United States District Court for the Western District of Texas, El Paso Division, of conspiracy to commit money laundering. The petition for compulsory discipline was filed with the board on June the 5th, 2014, and respondent was personally served on June the 18th, 2014, with the petition for compulsory discipline and notice of the hearing by Manuel Oreza, a private process server. Proof of service was filed with the board on July the 11th, 2014. On September the 5th, 2012, the respondent was charged by indictment with conspiracy to commit money laundering in violation of 18 U.S.C. 1956H in cause number EP12CR2106, styled the United States of America plaintiff versus Marco Antonio Delgado defendant in the United States District Court for the Western District of Texas, El Paso Division. On January the 24th, 2014, a judgment in a criminal case was entered in EP12CR2106DB, styled the United States of America plaintiff versus Marco Antonio Delgado defendant in the United States District Court for the Western District of Texas, El Paso Division, wherein the respondent was found guilty of conspiracy to commit money laundering. He was committed to the custody of the United States Bureau of Prisons to be imprisoned for a term of 240 months with credit for time served while in custody. He was ordered upon release to be on supervised release for 3 years, ordered to pay an assessment of $100 and a fine of $25,000. May I approach?
You may.
At this time, the Commission offers the following exhibits. Exhibit number 1 is a certified copy of the indictment in the underlying criminal case. Exhibit 2 is a certified copy of the judgment in the underlying criminal case. Exhibit 3 is my affidavit attesting to the fact that the person identified as the respondent is the same person as the defendant in the underlying criminal case. And Exhibit 4, which is the original certificate of Blake A. Hawthorne, Clerk of the Supreme Court, dated July the 8th, 2014, indicating that Mr. Delgado is a licensed Texas attorney but not currently authorized to practice law in the state of Texas.
Exhibits 1, 2, 3, and 4 are admitted.
Thank you.
Have you had any contact from Mr. Delgado?
I've had no contact at all with him or anyone on his behalf. On January the 28th, 2014, the respondent filed a notice of appeal appealing his criminal conviction to the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit. The Commission is seeking an entry of an interlocutory order of suspension pending the outcome of Mr. Delgado's appeal.
Does anyone on the board have any questions for Ms. DeBerry regarding Mr. Delgado's case? Thank you, Ms. DeBerry. We will take that under advisement and advise you and Mr. Delgado of our decision.
Thank you.